Hi. I know my light really sucks. Sorry about that. But I'm too hungry to go into the office and set up. So you get the kitchen. Yep. I do like my chicken burnt. That way there's no problem with if it's done, if it's not done. Onions. Seasoning. Done. And guys, I'm so excited. I get to go and talk to this lady about putting my jewelry in her shop. So say a prayer for me. Bath kid. All right, here you can have a little piece of chicken. Now go sit in your chair, be good. I'm so happy to have a big mouth. Because, you know, being a big person and having a big mouth really helps in life. Well, if you know how to use it to the best of your ability. You know? Don't be shy, sitting around waiting, thinking, you know, somebody's just going to come out the woodwork and, you know, help you, support you, whatever you. No. Oh, sorry. It ain't going to go down like that, boo-boo. But how it can go down is you walk up to people and say, hey, you know, I do this. And you give your elevator pitch. So, I'm so excited. I can't wait to go see her tomorrow. You know? I'm telling you, burnt adds flavor. I know you don't want to believe me. I need to go ahead and get me another set of LED photography lights. Because this heat is something. I'm sorry, I just hate it when she stares at me when I'm eating. Now be writing me about my burnt chicken either. Unless you also like burnt chicken. Oh man, that is so good. Excuse me. tomorrow when I make chicken, I'm gonna make my own cheese sauce to dunk it in, you know? Today I was lazy. Yes, burnt chicken. Only on one side. The other side just light brown. Love my burnt onions. Yes, I will. And don't give me no shit about it either. Oh man, that's good. Okay, so where did we leave off? I don't remember. What is the best praise or advice you receive? Praise. When people tell me that they love my jewelry. Or when I give a spiritual reading and they're happy that I could bring in their dad or their mom or whatever. Okay. It's really terrible. I'm sorry. Oops. Tasha, where did you put your napkin? What's that wheel of that for? Which would you prefer? 3 wishes over 5 years or 1 wish right now? Well, more is always better, so I'll take the 3 wishes over 5 years. If you could have 1 wish come true, what would it be? All children out of fucked up orphanages and foster homes. I don't care what any of y'all say. I love my chicken, honey. You know, I like a lot of burnt foods. Now I shouldn't think about it. But anyway. Did you ever keep a New Year's resolution? Yes, because I don't make them. Every day is a new year. And every day I make new goals. What was your favorite birthday or Christmas present? Back when I was, 13 and mom made really super duper duper good money. For Christmas, I got this matching shoes and leather purse. I love purses. Mother loves shoes. So I got shoes and a purse. And they were, knowing mom, probably like $200 a piece. And of course, they lasted me most of my life. Those were good days. Because my mama was a shopaholic. And even though she don't know you, but I talked about you, she be buying you shit too. Oh, you said Teresa likes, I don't know, oranges, so I sent her a case. Just for shopping. How funny. I can't see what time I'm at, sorry. But I know it's not going to take me that long to eat because I got class to go teach, so I'm just going to move this down and let you get on to the next video. Not too bad, Walmart. Not too bad at all. What was the worst present? A sweater? What was your favorite childhood toy? Jacks. Remember the little round ball? The little metal pieces? And it still is my favorite toy. Oh, man. Try some. I know it's burnt, but you know what? It ain't red no middle. Nothing worse than biting into a piece of chicken is that little red piece. I just won't even take that chance, y'all. My little burnt onions. Come on now, you gotta admit it. Some things you like burnt too. Toast. Something. We all like something weird that other people are gonna go, ew, you like that? Yep, I do. My brother friend likes ketchup in his cottage cheese. Yep, go ahead, say, ooh, how disgusting. One man's trash. Yep, I'm gonna make my own cheese sauce, y'all. Yep. Get on there. Collect my little black bits. And I don't know how. Of course, your mother always does it right. Just right. And, I'd try. But well. Where would you like to be in 5 years? Near water. My own little cute senior citizen home cottage with my own little tiny garden. What skill would you love to learn? Metalsmithing, making jewelry with metal and heat. I forgot my microphone. Which language would you like to learn? Chinese and Tagalog. Okay, I want to learn all languages because I'm a pretty good linguist. Did you know I speak 5 languages now? Not, you know, fluently. The only language I speak pretty fluently is Spanish and sign language. Excuse me. If money was not a concern, what would you do every day if you didn't work? Make jewelry? What's your hidden talent? I speak 5 languages. No? Okay. Oh man, that's good. Oh, guys, I'm going to be doing lives over on my other channel. Tasha Loves You. Link is at the bottom. So I'm going to try to post a little 30-second video here to tell you I'm going to go live over there. See? Always something. when you're not the owner of the business, that is so fucked up. But you know what? I ain't gonna let that get me down because I'm gonna win no matter what. What was the funniest moment in my life? I don't know. Too many funny moments to try and just pick one. Oh, that was just right. Excuse me. Okay, you guys, I gotta get off here and go and teach my Angels, Teachers, and Guides course. And if you're interested in learning what your spiritual gifts are and how to use them, link is at the bottom. Okay? Okay, you guys. I love you. Bye, 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 bye. Mwah.